Hey guys, your realtor Billy Schneider out here in Wittmann, Arizona. I'm surrounded by mountain views, beautiful desert landscape. Want to bring to you today this amazing property right behind me at 30039 West Occupado Drive. It is an earthship out here in the desert, the Michael Reynolds design. It is a custom built home in 2012 with over 3,600 square feet, sitting atop 5 acres. The floor plan inside consists of 2 master bathrooms on either wing of the house. You also have 2 full bathrooms and 3/4 bathroom. There's a full kitchen, a full formal dining room, all on the main level, as well as a battery utility room for extra power storage in the home. There is a sunken living room with a spiral staircase that goes up to a 3rd level where you can see more of the mountain views and desert surrounding you, as well as a sitting area and an office area to do your daily work. The owners have invested a massive $250,000 worth of equipment and materials into this home since their purchase of the home a couple years ago. They now want to hand it off to someone who's ready to put the final touches, finishing details to their desires and their wants and needs. All you need is to install the flooring that you pick, install cabinets in the kitchens and the bathrooms, appliances, shower stalls, and make this home your own. Those familiar with the earthship design know that these homes use earth's elements, gathering rain into underground storage tanks that is used for all your water needs, drinking, cleaning, cooking, as well as using energy from the sun through solar to power all devices in the home and all electricity. This home is equipped with storage batteries that the owner has installed to give you energy whenever you need it in case the solar is not working or you have a cloudy day and you need some power. They've also installed some AC units to give a little bit of a supplement as we are out here in Arizona and it does get a little warm. However, in the Michael Reynolds design, there is installed heating and cooling ventilation through tubes that bring in air from the outside and vents through the top that pull the air out, naturally cooling the home down. This glass wall that you see behind me is used to heat the home in the winter, as well as help vegetation grow down below if you wanted to plant an indoor garden, or you had some plants that you wanted to keep inside. It has been supplemented as well with 30 kW generators, which is a very powerful unit, around $18,000 in value, and shipping containers stored here on the property to give you power whenever you need it. In case there was failure with the battery supply or the solar, you can always have power here at this home. At this home, they've already installed septic, all the plumbing lines, all the electrical lines, everything that you need to get started and make this home yours. Let's go ahead and take a look at the property.